Welcome back. Sub-District Hospital at Ponda will be formally open on Liberation Day. It will be functional and will start providing medical care from Friday, 14 December, with a team of doctors and nurses. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that Junior Rane had inducted only Class 4 employees. Parsekar said hospital needs good doctors and nurses to be functional.
साखळी दिवचली वाळपय हेतून एक साखळी वॉज आयडियल प्लेस. दुसरे कडेन PHC CHC दवरूंक जाय आसली आनी साखळे बऱ्यापैकी सुविधा सगळे दिल्ल्यो जर जाल्यार ते 7-8 किलोमिटराच्या रेडियसान सगळें एवरीथींग कूड हॅव बीन कवर्ड. आतां बिल्डींग उबारली म्हणजे तें हॉस्पिटल करूंक जाय. हॉस्पिटल करूंक जाय म्हणजे सगळें इक्विपमेंट हाडूंक जाय आनी मॅन पावर मेळूंक जाय न्ही. आज आमी हांगा 2 ओटीच्या समोर वचनान फुडें वचनान कारण मॅन पावर इज मोस्ट एसेन्शियल न्ही. त्यामुळे जनतेक सामान्य दिसता कितें इमारत जाली म्हणजे हॉस्पिटल जालें म्हणून, पूण मोर दॅन इमारत, मोर दॅन बिल्डींग, वॉट इज एसेन्शियल इज मॅन पावर, दोतोर आनी नर्सीस. ते भल्ले कोण क्लास 4 स्टाफ, डबल टिबल भरलेलो क्लास 4 स्टाफ आनी बिल्डींग वाळपयचो क्लास 4 स्टाफ आनी स्ट्रक्चर इमारत म्हणजे हॉस्पिटल न्हय. हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे दोतोर आनी नर्सीस जास्त.
Zuari workers retrenched by the New Era Handling Agency have demanded that the agency management should withdraw its decision. They have decided to be at work forcefully. The workers have asked Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to intervene and resolve the issue. 209 contractual workers working for Zuari Industries were terminated by the contractor agency in Vasco. 209 contractual workers from Zuari Industries were retrenched recently by New Era Handling Agency. The agency is owned by President of Barge Owners Association, Atul Jadhav. They have decided to be on duty forcefully even after the retrenchment from the agency.
सगळे युनियन, सगळे कामगार आम्ही एक प्रतिज्ञा घेतला, आम्ही एक निश्चय घेतला की आम्ही सगळे 200 कामगारांक घेऊन कामार वेतले आणि कामार मॅनेजमेंटान ताका घेवचे पडटले. रिट्रेंचमेंट जे फाटी कामगारांचेर घाला ते ताबडतोब तांणी फाटी घेवचे पडटले. या आमी आज डिसिजन घेतलेले आसा. या डिसिजना फाटल्यान सगळे कामगार उभे रावले आसा. फ्रॉम 1970 ऑनवर्ड्स ही कंपनी हांगा चलता. या मॅनेजमेंटान गोंयचे सगळे भूमीचो फायदो, गोंयच्या लोकांचो फायदो घेवन आज या लोकांक मोस्तूंक सोदता. या कंपनी अमानुषपणा ही क्रूर कशे हे मॅनेजमेंट कामगारांचेर आक्रमण करता ताचो आज आमी निशेध मारून ही मीटिंग घेतला.
Reporter Surendra Matkaikar for Prudent. Events like hurdles, long jump and pole vault were conducted on the second day of 37th State Athletics Meet organized by DSY at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda on Thursday. Belgaum athletes look all right in most of the athletics event. The standard in hurdles and pole vault is poor. The government needs to look into providing better training facilities for hurdles and pole vault athletes. Here are some action-packed moments from the championship covered by our reporter Pratik Parab. Three dealers from Belgaum kidnapped from a city hotel in Ponda. Kidnapping case exposes rice puller black deal worth crores of rupees. Kidnapper gang claims to be CBI officials. Ponda police registered a case of kidnapping and impersonation against four unknown. Sources claim a link of a politician in the Belgaum deal. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGo or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.